This week's lab involves the separation of two organic compounds. One of them an organic acid, the other a neutral compound. To accomplish this, of course, you will need your separatory funnel, the matching stopper, and a ring clamp. When you get the separatory funnel, check it and make sure a couple of things are a good match. First of all, check the stopcock. Now, in this particular case, you see that this one is free to move. That's a source of leaks when using the separatory funnel. So if I had this one, I would recommend tightening up the nut, and that will take care of the problem of the stopcock moving back and forth in the glass. But make sure you don't tighten it so much that you cannot turn it freely. The second thing you want to check is your stopper. Make sure that the stopper is a good match for the top of the funnel. That is, the ground glass joint of the stopper and the ground glass of the funnel should be the same length and the same size, and that when it goes together they make a good fit. Some of you will have plastic stoppers. There's nothing wrong with using a plastic stopper on a separatory funnel. Personally, I prefer glass, but that's a personal issue. When it comes to the ring clamp, check the ring clamp. Now, this one in particular does have a cut on this side. That just makes it a little bit easier getting the separatory funnel in and out of the clamp. What you want to make sure, though, is that the ring clamp, is of such a size that the separatory funnel cannot pass through. This allows the separatory funnel to be placed in the clamp and the liquids inside then to come to equilibrium. Some of you will have a ring that is clearly too large for the separatory funnel, so that it just passes right through. An easy solution to that, if you have it, is a clay triangle. The clay triangle can be placed right on top of the larger ring clamp, and then the separatory funnel placed inside the clay triangle. Now that allows for resting the separatory funnel inside of a larger ring clamp. Lastly, put the ring clamp onto the monkey bars in the hood, and you want to put that at such a level so that when the separatory funnel is in the ring clamp, you have space underneath for the Erlenmeyer flask to sit. Notice that the separatory funnel goes inside the Erlenmeyer flask a little bit. That helps to make sure that any liquid that drains from the separatory funnel into the Erlenmeyer flask actually goes in, as opposed to spilling out over the edge.